This is the sketch needed for this painting, and also mark the shadow of the petals in your sketch. Let us start by wetting the top portion of the paper, and be ready with your favorite green color, which is in thick consistency. The color that I have used to make my own green is sap green mixed with brown, Prussian blue, and little amount of black. Now I'm pouring the mixture of pigments, which is very concentrated. I'm tilting the board in all directions so that the color spreads wherever I wetted the paper. After playing with watercolor, we are going to use our brush to spread the color and to do the details of the outer part of the flower petals. Here I am tilting the board and removing all the excess pigment that is collected near the tape. This is to avoid any background which results in formation of cauliflower effect. Next we are wetting at the right hand side, and using the same pigment we are pouring the mixture over that wetted portion and allow it to spread in all direction, and again, as we previously done, by using the brush we spread the color and draw the details at the edges of the petals. After painting at the right hand side, we have to tilt the board and remove all the excess pigments that is collected near the tape. We have to repeat the same process at the left hand side of the flower. Next, we have to add lines on the petals. For this, I'm using indigo mixed with little amount of Payne's grey. Note that the lines of the petals should be curvy, and it should not be like a straight line. So that is the important thing to be noted while drawing the lines on the petals. Reference for this painting is obtained from Pinterest. It is used only for study purpose. I thank the uh, photographer who took this photo, and all the credit goes to that person. This is the petal which is facing towards us, so it is very small in size, and we have to add shadow for this petal. I'm using the same indigo mixed with little amount of Payne's grey to add the shadow. Next, we are adding the pollens for the flower. This is done by using lemon yellow and red color. For the stem, I'm using the same green which is used for the background color mixed with little amount of lemon yellow. And we have to add shadow for the pollens. Hope you like this painting. See you in another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.